Ladies and gents, welcome back. Oh, you know the drill. Another beautiful day out here, hot as frig. But I got a super early start today. We got out here at 6:45. Made a little bit of progress, but had to go. I broke my phone, so I had to go get that fixed, and that was expensive. But yeah, back on the old Bultaco, and I have an idea to put some wheels on it while the other wheels are getting built. So this morning, on the way back, I stopped at the old hardware store and I bought some bolts to use as temporary axles. And I think we have a set of wheels laying around that might just work. Well, first things 12th, I wanted to get these fenders, well, at least the rear one, mocked up. I did not realize when I ordered them, but they are undrilled, so we're gonna have to drill them. It's not a huge deal. Got them lined up. Nice little trick for this is magnets. Magnets definitely help. But just trying to get it all straight. While I was doing this, I noticed the seat mount is definitely bent, so we're gonna definitely have to do a little shimming on that. That looks like it's off by like a ½ inch. But, you know, what are you going to do? It's an old beat up frame. We'll just make it look straight. My goodness gracious. Look at this beauty right here. I wish we were putting these Supermoto wheels on this bike. Oh my gosh, it looks so awesome. So freaking awesome. But, yeah. I had to put the tank and the seat on just to see. Got the exhaust on and had to do some finagling. We're gonna have to make a spacer for right here so it doesn't hit the swing arm in that. But yeah, this thing looks pretty wild with those tires and wheels on there. It's gonna look really good with the regular ones, but gosh, I just can't get over how cool it looks like this. I might have to build one for myself in the little flat track style. Alright, ladies and gents, it's dark out. All the kids are tucked in. We made major progress on the old Bultaco today. Super stoked on it. Got a lot more to do, but at least it looks like a motorcycle, and it's given me a lot of inspiration. Man, Bultaco flat track bike? What? Maybe something we're gonna build in the future. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a regular, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.